Rule number 14. I wish I had done that and I will. Regrets. I have had a few. You might be expecting me to say there is no room for regrets or if onlys. As it happens, they can be very useful if you choose to use them to make a difference going forward. There are three types of I wish I had done that scenarios. The first is when you genuinely feel you didn't capitalize on an opportunity or that you missed out on something. The second is when you see somebody who's done something great and you wish it had been you. The final type is not you but the others, the people who hang around with a sort of permanent I could have been a contender mentality. If only I had these chances, the lucky breaks, the opportunities for this last group. The bad news is that even if Lady Luck had come up and bitten them on the bum, they had still have missed it. When it comes to looking at what others have achieved, this world is divided into those who look at others enviously and those who look at others as a motivational tool. If you find yourself saying, I wish I had done that thought, that been their sin, that experience, that made them understood that, then you need to learn to follow it up with a and now I will. In many cases, the thing you wished you had done might not be out of the question, even if it's not exactly as you would have done it previously. For example, if you are thinking, I wish I had taken a year out before university and traveled to China like so and so did, then you are clearly not going to be able to reverse time. But could you get a sabbatical for 6 months and go now? Could you take a longer than usual holiday and go with family if necessary? Or how about making firm plans that when you retire you will pull this at the top of your to-do list? Obviously, if the regret is that you didn't win an Olympic 400-meter gold medal because you gave up athletics at 14, it's not going to happen if you are now 34. What you can do is resolve not to let any more opportunities pass you by, so you can choose to book those scuba diving lessons, and in doing so ensure that you won't be saying, I wish I had learned to dive in another 20 years time. So the world is divided into those who look at others enviously and those who look at others as a motivational tool.